Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and for today's basket tutorial we are planting the purple hummingbird. Now this is a really beautiful basket, and we have a whole series of what we call our hummingbird series. This purple one is the first one we're planting for the season. I have a really beautiful clip of Maya holding one of these baskets last year. Take a look.
Hey everyone, it's Maya, and here's our purple hummingbird. It's the end of April and it's already this big, so come get it while you can.
Isn't it so pretty? This row of baskets hanging here, the double row, those are all purple hummingbird baskets planted yesterday by Clayton and Jack. And we still have some more to plant that didn't quite get done. So let's go through what this basket is. Put in a scoop of fertilizer. Now for greenhouse growers out there, you definitely want to be adding this. And if you're making your own baskets, definitely get some slow release fertilizer. We use something that's good for hanging baskets. We always pre-wet our pots before planting. This hummingbird basket has 10 different plants in it, so we're going to use our stamp. It's called a double board, and we make these ourselves. If you want a double board, you're going to have to make your own to suit your recipes and to fit inside of your pots. See how this sits inside the pot? That's really important. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 2 petunias. We use Super Petunia Mini Vistas in this combo. This is the Midnight. It is a really dark purple. It looks stunning in this pot. I'm planting all of these from plugs. You would be planting them from about a 2.5 inch to a 4 inch size. That would be typical to find in your garden center. Now these, I'm going to give them a little pinch. This one is quite tall and lanky. That is actually not what we expect when we get them in. They're usually bushy, but it definitely needs a pinch and it will get more bushy and have more branching. So we're going to plant them opposite sides of each other. That gives us a nice balanced basket. Now, even if you're planting from a 4 inch, you would just make a bigger hole and put them close together as we are. The second petunia going in this mix is also from Proven Winners. It is a Super Petunia Mini Vista Violet Star. It has that nice star stripe pattern in it. And these as well need a little pinch. Again, this just encourages better branching, and we recommend it at plug stage if it needs it. We just assess as we go. So again, plant them opposite each other. Now 4 petunias in here is going to be enough to give us really nice color. Our next item is a really interesting potato vine. This is called Solar Tower Black, and see how it's climbing? This is a naturally climbing potato vine. All the other potato vines naturally trail. We also want this to get bushier, so I'm going to give that a little pinch, just taking off the top couple of leaves. And you'll see that it has like green colored growth on the new leaves, and they do darken to a really nice purpley black color as they mature. This gets very full, and 2 is all we need to fill out the size of this pot. Now these potato vines can take the heat and take the sun without getting speckled or sunburned. So this basket in particular for a hummingbird series can go right in full sun, no problem. A really important component, probably the main feature of why we call this the hummingbird series, is we have the Lophus vine in it. Now these vines are very small right now, but they can grow anywhere from 3 to 6 feet long. This is a Lophus white that we put in the purple basket. We put 4 of these in here. If you've seen our other tutorials, we make sure to put in lots of vines. We want this to be incredible. And we got to put the Proven Winner tags in there. And then we're going to put in our sachet of beneficial bugs or good bugs, and make sure that this basket doesn't have thrips in it. Going to add a hanger to this. You could also take any of our mixes and plant them in a ground planter. We put them in hanging baskets, obviously. If you're going to mix these up and put them in a ground planter, I would probably add something for height. That is the only change I would make to these. So we've got that planted. Again, our book, Deb's Greenhouse Hanging Basket Recipes. There's over 30 different recipes in here for hanging baskets. I'm just going to put the price on the bottom. I can't find the bag with the hang tag, so I gotta go look for that. The boys might have put it up in the office so it doesn't get wet when I'm watering. So there we have it, the purple hummingbird. Again, the boys already planted over 100 of them, and that includes the pre-orders. Pre-orders closed already. We've been getting a lot of questions about our pre-order program. That runs from November 1st to Valentine's Day. So the deadline has long passed. Once we get into this time of year, it's really hard to take orders, and we really don't have the space in our back greenhouses to hold any more. So if that's something you're interested in, please follow along our social media or sign up for our emails through our website, debsgreenhouse.com, to get notifications of that next fall. Again, here's another look at this beautiful basket, what it's going to grow into. Here's another look at just how beautiful this basket is going to grow and fill out, and just how amazing. Look at that potato vine. It is stunning. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and have a great day. We'll see you soon, guys. Bye for now.